everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to another recipe video. So today we will be making raw vegan tacos for the Cinco de Mayo holiday coming up. This one is salt, oil, and sugar free. I will be leaving the full recipe for this dish on my website at purelivingnutrition.com. So we are going to be starting off with the taco meat first. I'm going to show you how to make that first, and then we're going to go into the cashew sour cream. And then after that, we're going to assemble everything and put it all together. So let's get started. So now that we have our taco meat and the cashew sour cream, I added a couple extra toppings, which includes pico de gallo and guacamole. We'll also be using romaine lettuce leaves for the wrap. So we'll go ahead and assemble everything. We're gonna start off with the taco meat. And you'll just quickly place this in the center of your romaine lettuce leaves, and then just top it off with the rest of the toppings. Okay, so after everything has been assembled, you'll just go ahead and wrap up your raw vegan tacos and start digging in. So these tacos are so delicious and full of flavor. The pico de gallo, guacamole, cashew sour cream, and of course the taco meat all add such a nice overall full flavor to this dish, and it's so much more healthy than regular tacos. So this is a great alternative to celebrate Cinco de Mayo coming up. So I hope that you guys give this recipe a try. It's awesome and it's simple to make. Again, you can find the full recipe on my website at purelivingnutrition.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like the video. And if you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel at Pure Living Nutrition. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.